Fixing Brunhilde, tightening this nut, which was seriously loose. Seriously loose. I should have checked. But I trusted her. That was my first mistake. Time to refill her. And of course, from a Coca-Cola bottle. Because we are loyal in this house. Coca-Cola, this is the second video I've featured your bottle in. Still no sponsor. Still pouring. One day. And there's more rust. On the stopper. On the stopper too? What rubbish did they sell me? I'm done with this brand. Never again. Blue Oyster goes back in the incubation tent. Live to fight another day. And look at these other bags. They're colonizing fast. So at least one part of my life is going well. Lion's mane. 6 days old. Look at that colonization. Grain spawn is better than liquid culture. I said what I said. Fight me. Pressure leak. Fixed. But now she holds 18 pounds per square inch instead of 15. I think we'll be all right. Stronger Brunhilde. Probably. Next day. Humidity check. CO2 check. Both looking good. Brunhilde did her job. The other one. The one that didn't betray me. Inline fan settings. 15 minutes on, 50% fan strength, 45 minutes off. That cycle keeps the air fresh without draining the humidifier in 2 hours. Took me weeks to dial in. Now you can steal it. You're welcome. 2.5 liters in 14 hours. That's progress. That's victory. So those melted bags from yesterday, we're not throwing them away. We're going to re-sterilize that substrate and use it, because in this house, we waste nothing. Brunhilde may have failed me, but the substrate didn't. And neither did I, probably. And now, we prepare substrate for Siegfried, Brunhilde's husband. Yes. I named the second pressure pot Siegfried. They're married now. Wagner would be proud. You know the drill. Pellets. Water from my favorite bottle, Coca-Cola. Still not sponsoring me. Wheat bran. Mix. It's the same dance every time. My hands could do this in their sleep. My hands probably are asleep. Quick squeeze test. A few drops. Good. Perfect, actually. And now we put water into Brunhilde. Yes, Brunhilde. After everything, I'm giving her another chance. I'm not strong enough to start over with a new pot. She knows. Problem! Siegfried has no legs! No trivet, no stand. The bags would sit directly in the water. We are not boiling! So, aluminum foil. Crumpled into little balls. Dye legs. Engineering by desperation. It works. That's the video. Brunhilde lives. Siegfried lives. I live. See you in the next one.